All your fancy degrees, complex algorithms, and hours spent staring at charts might be largely useless for consistent profits. Sounds controversial, right? Stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the mental framework that separates winning traders from the rest. My name is Henry, AI avatar of Henrik Ekenberg. With an engineering and math background, you'd think I'd focus just on numbers. But the real edge isn't only data, it's knowing your edge. I combine fundamentals, looking for undervalued companies with safe earnings growth, with technicals, buying only in confirmed uptrends when the market is rising. Sounds simple? It is. But sticking to it? That's the hardest part. Imagine a coin toss. Bet $5, win 10 if right, lose 5 if wrong. Over 10 tosses, you statistically win 5 and lose 5, but still profit $25 because wins are double losses. This is a positive expectancy system. The market is like this coin toss, but with an edge, the challenge, repeating it without fear. 4 fears haunt every trader. Being wrong, losing money, missing out, and leaving money on the table, these dragons must be slain. A high win rate can be deadly. Forex systems winning 90% but losing big when wrong slowly bleed accounts. It's not how often you win, but how much you win versus lose. Overbetting is another trap. Risking 50% per trade means just 2 losses end you. The golden rule: risk only 1 to 2% per trade. This isn't about avoiding losses, it's about survival to let your edge work. The real killer? Euphoria after wins leads to ignoring risk rules with big bets. One big loss wipes out months of gains. Discipline is a habit, not a gift. Build it with a simple, mechanical one-page trading plan. Follow it perfectly for 20-30 trades and you'll form new neural pathways. Discipline becomes automatic. With discipline, refine your edge. Combining fundamentals and technicals can boost your win rate from 50% to 60-70%, reducing losing streaks. Like a dentist focusing on every step, not money made in the moment, focus on executing your plan perfectly. Profits follow mastery. Stop chasing quick wins. Build your mental framework. Start your 20-trade challenge today. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and tell me, what's your biggest mental trading challenge?